Alright guys, I'm here at the camper after about, I don't know, 45 minutes to an hour. Got it running, the heat running, thank God. So at least now I ain't got to worry about being cold. But I still got to work on getting my heat. Because, I mean, that's a must. I got 4 cats and I don't want to get them sick. I mean, I ain't gonna get sick myself, I hope, but, you know, it is what it is. I don't want to, but anyway, what I have here tonight is I don't know, some kind of sound level meter. It's got something about OSHA on it. It is some kind of, I want to say methane. It's a methane tester, which has been sitting for 20 years. It's an old one, so we're going to take it apart. See what's in her. Yeah, the bigger. I gotta find a screwdriver. I ain't never read in my. Alright, I got a screwdriver. I was just playing. I ain't got nothing but a drill today. I didn't want to pack all my dang tools with me for staying out here a couple nights. I guess that screwdriver ain't gonna fit either. Damn it. I hate a straight screwdriver with a passion. Okay, let's see what my next route is. I got a bit set here. This dang thing ain't got no straight screwdriver bits, small straight screwdriver bits in it anyway. So we're getting ready to figure it out. I have to take it outside. Well, maybe not. Maybe not. I got this one loose. Good old pocket knife. Shit. I can't win for losing. I do have more bits out there in the truck though. Alright. That's a simple ass little machine. Freaking defeat me. Not so much. This is just a battery compartment anyway. Nope, ain't gonna do it. Can't take it outside. My neighbors already don't care for me to move here, so You can't do that. You can't do this. And you can't do that. You watch me do this, and you watch me do that. Watch me do it again. Come over here telling me what I can and can't do on my property. Okay. See you guys on the flip side. I'm gonna do whatever. If it benefits me, I'm gonna do it again. Anywho, this thing's been a pain in the butt. Damn straight screwdriver. Who knows? Straight screws. Hate to mess this knife up like that. Damn. Pretty good looking old knife. Pretty fast. You know, you can shut it. And it's kind of spring loaded. Well, I'm a dummy. There you go. Pretty fast opening. Almost like a switchblade. Alright, I got one of the screws out. I ain't gonna be able to get the other one out. I know I ain't. So, I'm just gonna break the damn thing off. It's got a 9-volt battery in it that's done busted. It's got 2 of them in it. Along with coal mine dust. Damn, that's nasty. So, every dang thing else. Okay, there's that one. What did I do with that little bit? Right here. Maybe. Maybe I can get these out. Heck yeah. Hell of a drill right there. Hammer drill. A little bit of everything. Alright, let's get this band off the back of it. That's easy enough. So, this thing will pop apart. This will pop apart. Probably won't because I got one screw left. That straight screw down here is giving me hell. I don't know if it's got anything to do with it or not. There it goes. Ah. Yes, sir. Alright. Trash. Trash. Okay. More screws. Probably gonna have some low grade boards in it. Number 2 insulated wire. That's right. Oh, I guess I could move the grill out of the way, huh? Alright. Get these wires cut off here. See if I can find some good old copper in here. These little circuitries. Probably not, but hey, I'll try anyway. Yeah. I don't remember which ones has the spool of copper in them. I'll figure it out. Uh-oh. Well, it ain't one of these. Sure you got black junk in it. It ain't one of those. Alright, let's see what we got. There's that switch for that knob. This little gun got set screws in it. God bless. Good Lord. Yep, she's in there. There's that. For me, it's got brass on it. So we'll take that off. Throw it in our pile. Got a bunch of buttons right here. A bunch of screws. Flathead screws. Hopefully I can get them out with this. Cause I sure don't want to freaking bust them out on the dang steps. Flathead freaking screws. I see the man that developed a flathead screw was a freaking genius. I don't think so. The torques maybe. Jump. Break it. If you can't get the screw out, break it. Break it out. That one came out. Okay. Oh my mercy. What the hell hold this thing together? Glue? I guess I get some of these wires out of my way. Everything else is down there on the table. I should have brought me a rag or something to lay down. Wires. But, oh, what the hell? These are switches, but I don't see nothing special on them. I won't worry about them. I mean, they could be silver coated brass, but you never know. It could be. Screwball. Had a pretty good day today. Good day. Kind of busy. You know, kind of laid back at work. Got to stay warm all day. Thank goodness. You know, went home. Didn't stay home just stay home alone. Just fed the animals and make sure they's watered, and I got the heck out of there because I didn't want to get cold. I knew it was going to get cold again tonight. I fixed them up some, beds and stuff like that. Got blankets laying out for them. I know they got fur, but they still get cold. Get that mare out. I don't know what that is. Plastic. Some kind of a tip for the reads the meter, makes the meter work. I'd say it's probably brass. I'll probably never know, or I might know. Hell, it's long-winded as shit. Damn. Yep, there it goes. Sheesh. Fine threads. Okay, yeah, it's brass. It's gonna have brass, gonna have wires in it. And how to get that tester out of there, I don't know. So I'll just take this and take this little thing here, and just throw it straight in my brass bucket. Yeah, it's all brass anyway. Ain't nothing in it except for two little wires, or the plug on this end that I probably won't worry about. Got a little tiny screw right there. You pull that screw there out, and then this plug will come out. So we'll work with that. Let's see here what we got going. What the heck? There's no more screws that I see. Maybe they're under something. Huh. What the hell? Well, something's holding that in there. Oh, okay. I see. 4 little risers. Brass. 4 little brass risers. Heck yeah. More brass. Ain't gonna weigh much, but hey, it's brass in the bucket. Ounces make pounds. All 4 of them are brass. So, we can pull this board out of here. Where's that remote? I don't know if y'all can hear the TV or not, but I hope not. I don't need no strikes on me. Almost already had one. I don't care really. Little gauge right there. This nut will come out. Unless I break it. Some kind of plastic. We'll worry about that later. I ain't got nothing here to get the little tiny screws out with. Oh well. Anyway, there's some more switches. Ain't much of nothing to this old thing. Got a bunch of junk on it. Rotary switches. Tidbits of silver. Pieces right here. Damn hands anyway. Why didn't y'all tell me that? Hey. Little switches. I ain't gonna mess with them little things. Got a bunch of dang pins in it though. They're silver coated or tin coated or something. Anyway, we'll just all let the shred. Got a little rash. Cuts a little bit of brass. Well, that's got a rope and a nut. That's already broke. I have to figure out how to get that over. I got a set screw right there. Oh my god. I don't have nothing that small. Even at home. Yeah. Shred it. Shred it. Shred it. Shred it. Alright. Damn. Right there. Oh. Clean my mess up. We're about all that rubbery stuff. Sweep all that junk off into them. Trash. We're just bored. Getting bored, wanting something to do. Heck yeah. But at least I do have heat tonight, guys. Whew. I got heat. There for about 45 minutes to an hour, I didn't think I was going to have any. I couldn't get to come on. We got a breaker. One of the smaller ones. It's the one of the little ones. I hadn't torn none of these apart yet. So I figured I'll throw one in the truck. And, come out here. I knew I'd probably get bored, so come out here and throw it on the table. One of them little ones. I've got, oh hell, I don't know how many. There's several of them. There's probably 100 or more of these smaller ones. See what kind of contacts we get into. I've got somebody that's supposed to be wanting to buy some of them. And then give me a percentage of the cut, you know, the yield. But we'll see. motors. Right there. They got that dang stuff boogered up. It is on there. Okay, that's junk. No more screws. The deflectors. I don't know how the heck they come out. Okay, there's the screws. But I gotta get this motor out of the way. So that's gonna be a trick. Okay. This one here's bad. It won't kick. Okay. Maybe. Yep, there's deflectors there too. So try this. Man, why is everything gotta be so small? 3 little tiny screws right there. I don't even believe I have a socket that small in my toolbox at home. So I guess I'm gonna have to buy some stuff eventually. Yeah, hell, that won't even get in there. My contacts in there. We can't get some of them spark resistors out. Yeah, the daggone switch don't even have a screw in it. Alright, let's see. Alright. There we go. Get these pops off. Alright, let's see. Alright, can't get in there on that side. Can't get in here that side. That screw's coming out. Okay. That one's gone. That one is gone out. Let's see. Nothing more on the back. I know there's another screw in here somewhere. Gotta be. But can I get to it? I don't know. Okay. Let's see. Why they make these things such a pain? Alright, there's. Oh, I see. Damn. Okay, see what kind of screw it is. Almost certain. Friggin' straight. Get all that crap out of them. They're in jelly. Back behind everything. I guess they gotta be watertight, so. Okay. That's why I don't care for breakers. Sometimes they can be hell to take apart, especially these kind. So I'll get my knife in there and scrape some of that crap out of that groove. You see, this is what I gotta deal with whenever I try to extract all these contacts. You know, I mean, I gotta fight with them and everything else. I mean, is it gonna be worth my time? You know. 15-20 bucks ain't gonna be shit. There's that motor. Yeah. That'd be a little bit of copper, but I mean, it's got a brass tip right there. Spring. All that there is gonna be brass, and two little nuts, and that little knob on the end is gonna be brass. That'll be magnetic. So we'll set that over here. Now, there's the motor. A little motor. You know, they got angel hair in them pretty much. So, you know, I'm doing this to kind of show what it's going to take for me to rip these things apart and then, you know, ship them out or whatever. Okay. That might. Shit. That might go now. There you go. That shit fell out of there. It's all metal. Okay. Alright. That's gotta go forward. Shit. Okay. Let's see. Yes, I got it. Okay. Alright, there's them 3 screws. They're gonna be they're actually kind of flat, short screws, but they're a pain to get out. Then, let's see. You gotta check all these, make sure there's nothing in behind them. I have no idea what that junk is in there. Some kind of dang caulking, but it's decent stuff. I'm afraid I'm gonna slip. This knife is sharp as shit. I ain't got my gloves with me. I ain't gonna lie. I probably wouldn't wear them anyway. Alright, that may be a cap. Yes, that's a cap. Well, shit, fire ain't nothing in it. Okay, so them are good. Okay. Let me hold it back here. Alright, let's just pop that crap out of there. Sometimes there's a screw behind them. holding all this junk in there. Let me see if I can do it with a drill. Little screw ball time. Okay. I mean, if I had better things to do right now, being it's cold, I wouldn't even mess with these things. I mean, I've never worked on them before, so that would be the reason why. I don't know what's behind these, all this wax or whatever the hell it is, caulking. I'm getting down to it though. Let's see. What's behind that thing? I seen something silver in there. Oh, good Lord. Yeah. I don't think there's nothing there. There's yeah, there's nothing. Okay, that's a good thing. This is how we get the deflectors out, I guarantee it. Because you got to get them spark assisters out of there before you can get anything out of there. There we go. I kind of thought so. Yeah, if you don't get these things out of there, you're not going nowhere with these. You can smack them with a hammer. You can shoot them. You can do whatever you want to with them. I smacked one with a 20-pound sledgehammer and it bounced. And I thought I broke my damn legs because it jarred me so bad. People don't realize, man, this stuff here is freaking stout. It's plastic, baked like fiberglass. It's molded together, and it's stout. Anybody that's ever done these big breakers would know. Okay. Maybe I got it. Maybe I don't. Shit, I don't know. Okay, here she goes. Come on, get out of here. Thank you. Nope, not yet. Okay. Alright, there you go. Let's get her started. There's a screw. There's a screw. There's a screw. Okay. Now, these three things right here are the spark protection from them. You just slide right out, and that's all shred. That's metal, all metal. So we'll throw that in our scrap bucket when we get home. Damn, there's three of them, so there we go. Alright, now the only thing that I hadn't quite figured out yet is how all this stuff comes out, because there's no screws. Let's see. Shit, fire. Them are, them come out. They're copper with silver contacts on them. There's a big silver contact. And them are there. Hell, that'd be easy to get off. You can damn there. There's a piece of it right there. Damn spider. Yeah, there's a piece of it right there. Yeah. Silver. The rest of it is copper. Okay. There's another one. Another contact. Another one. Contact. Alright. Now the trick is getting all this crap out. I mean, I could take it out there and smack it with a hammer all night long, but I'm just going to smack it till I'm blue in the face. Yeah. So, we just got to figure it out. There's a couple springs right there, and that's keeping one breaker down. Okay. See if I can get this screwdriver in there. Maybe I can pop some of this stuff out of there. Don't know. Shit. You gotta remember when you're messing with these things that they're spring loaded. You know, they're spring loaded. When springs come out of there and hit you in the eye or somewhere in the face, it's gonna hurt. So I'll pop them loose off these tabs in here. I don't know if I can get it on camera or not. Okay. Pop it off that tab. Shit. It ain't coming off. There it went. See it? Pop. That nose popped right out. Now, all this other mess, it's pressed in there. So, that being said, you gotta basically pry it out. Out there, I don't know. The inside of it's breaking off pretty good, so maybe I can get it out of there pretty easy. It's just basically figuring it out because these things are solid. Okay, let me see if I can pry this one up. Damn. Nope. Holy hell. It's all steel, so. Alright guys, hell, give me a minute and I'll come back. Okay, so after, I don't know, about an hour of tinkering with this damn thing, I finally got me a drill bit out of the truck. I went to town inside here, getting all that crap out of there. I finally got the case to bust. Okay. This video is 45 minutes long. I still didn't get this steel piece out, so I had to bend it around getting these contacts out. So you figure 6 contacts, and maybe 6 ounces of copper, and all that beating and all that banging and all that. These little breakers are not exactly what you'd call worth my time. These contacts were hell to get out, and I just don't know if it's going to be worth it to me. I guess I could take it, put me a graphite bit or a graphite blade in my chop saw, or a concrete cutting bit, diamond blade or whatever in my chop saw, and go to town on there like that. I mean, because there is a lot of copper. I mean, all this stuff is silver coated copper. There's big contacts right there. I mean, they're pretty thick. There's 3 of them on there. Plus, you know, we got these little ones. You know, they're not as thick. I'm just trying to figure out whether, you know, it's actually worth it. I mean, shit. I didn't have nothing else to do, but I mean, kept me from being bored. I mean, shit. I mean, them was really, really tough. And I still don't know how to go about it, you know, getting them off. I bought a torch, and it was map gas. Yeah, I still couldn't get them off. So, I mean, heating them for 10 minutes, and they didn't even turn red. Not on these, but I don't know about these. But I mean, like I said, there's some decent sized contacts. I may cut their rivets out of there, which I don't know if I can do them with channel lock or bar cutters or not, but probably not. Probably had to get my grinder out and take that little rivet off. They're pressed in there. Get that arm off each one of them. This is fiberglass in the middle, so I mean that'll cut pretty easy. Not with yeah, maybe it will. I don't know. It's a fiberglass rod. Well, I mean, it's not gonna come off easy. Oh well, it's metal inside there. It's just fiberglass coated. Yeah, so I had to take something and cut them, grind them off. And I don't know. I just don't see the yield being worth time and shipping and all that stuff on this set. These kind here, you know. The other ones probably they're easier to mess with. A lot more room to for error. You know, I mean, I'm still learning the process of this because these dang things here. This is oh, it's probably metal. Hell, I don't know. I've got a magnet with me. It's out there at the house. Yeah, them are metal. But them metal things there, this is what holds all that shit in there. And they're molded into the backlight. So, I mean, I was able to bust the sides off of it because that's thin, you know, it ain't that thick. But like I said, that stuff right there, the metal thing, they're molded, and that's what holds it together. That's where I busted it. I got a hold of that thin part and broke it off at the bottom. So luckily it was brittle enough to break. But anyway, guys, this video is 50 minutes long, so I'll go ahead and trim it up and get it out to you. Like I said, I am warm tonight. Probably going to be until I get me a furnace or get mine fixed. I mean, hell, 1985 model furnace is pretty well wore out, so it's going to be a lot of money to get parts. I'm trying, but it's hard to do anything whenever you got to get up and go to work every morning. And everything closes by the time you get off from work, so. But it is what it is. I'll get there. Hope everybody has a really, really good night. I'm going to get off here and kick back and watch some TV. Love you guys. See you later.